Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys know that we used to drop daily updates on boom and crash index and step index. This morning we are going to show you guys an update on boom 300 with this powerful indicator. I told you guys that this is one of the best indicator that you can thank God that you get, guys. So with this indicator we have our support level and our resistance level, which is this our support level is this green tick 9, and we have this green our green 9 here as our resistance level, and this is how this indicator works. So guys, this indicator does not reprint, and how you can get this indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to follow our Telegram group, and you are going to message us as an admin. So we used to drop the admin contact there. You can also reach us to us. And also guys, as you can see, this indicator has been installed on this particular chart. As you can see, with this indicator you can be making up to 50 to 100 to $200 every single day if you can follow what is explained inside this particular video. So as you can see, we have our indicator movements at this particular area. You can see our signal arrow appear here, and it does not reprint. Once it appears, it stays permanently, and you can see that we can take this our trade up to this particular moment. You can see that that's the best entry algorithm for us, and we have another confirmation signal at this particular area, which indicates our arrow to be on the uptrend signal. You can see this as deep at this particular area, and we can take our trade up massively. Currently now the chart is still on a uptrend. Currently now it's still on the uptrend. So that is how to trade this particular indicator. And what you are going to be watch next is that anytime this your particular 9 here is touching your support level, might be your taking profit level, like what it did here, what it might did there, you understand, might be your close profit level, or you decided to follow this particular green 9 where you are going to be seeing the green the light green 9 touching the resistance level. You can see that this might be your take profit one level from this particular size to this particular area. Don't forget, this is 5-minute time frames, and you are going to see how massive this particular trade have gone so far. So we have another one at this particular area. If you watch the light red line at this particular area, you can see that it touched this our support area at this particular area. It touched it at this particular area. You can see that. So that is how this indicator works massively. You can see that. So this is how. So this indicator works on all boom and crash index. It works on step index. It also works on crash 300. You can see I've already made a video on it on different pair, and we can see another one. These are this trade that we see on 2 of this month. You can see this. We have a very massive trend at this particular area, which go on a massive uptrend up to this particular moment, before we have our downtrend. Even if it's only one trend that you can take per day, then that one is okay for you. This will fetch around nothing less than $200 for you in just a single trade. And you can see another one here. We have another one here, and you can see it go massively on a downtrend. So that shows to us the very best accurate time for us to enter our trade. You can see that. So that is so massive. So let me show you guys more, if you can see more. Let's see if we are going to see more. Yes, we have another one here at this particular area. You can see that it indicates to us that we have a downtrend, but the downtrend is not really confirmed, because when we see our green 9, we will see that they go below the arrow at this area. And even if you enter this particular trend and you wait for another signal indicator here, you can see this still go on a massive profit. Likewise, this, you can see that the red 9 have already reached the support level, so the confirmation is not so strong at this particular area. But it's still something that you can enter, make your little profit, then out of it, then look for another entry confirmation until you find another confirmation that give you a best accuracy. So you can see this also. this go on a massive trend up to this particular moment. You can see that, and we have another one here. You can see what happened here, and it still go on a massive downtrend. We have another one here, uptrend. We have another one at this area. You can see massively guys on the uptrend, massively guys. We have another one here. You can see another one here. So this indicator is very powerful and is very accurate. A lot of people have been using this indicator, and they have been showing me a lot of proof guys. So this indicator also works on crash 300. Let me show you how it works on crash 300 so that you guys can see that this indicator is working. It's really working guys. So as you can see now, we have our indicator installed on it. You can see that we have our movement on it on the uptrend. Currently now we have a movement on it on the uptrend, and you can see the downtrend that does not confirm at this area, but that is not our point. Our point is to catch this massive uptrend at this particular area. So you can see this, we have another downtrend here which happens to fade, but the little profit will be catch up in this long entry. You have another one here. You can see this on a massive downtrend. We have another one, another short one here as an uptrend, and what you see next now is another massive one. You can see another massive one from this particular area up to down this particular area. So this is how indicator works. It works massively and it has been making a lot of profits. So to get this indicator, all what you need to do is to join my Telegram group and get access to our Telegram group and message the admin, and I'm going to reply to you so that you can get this indicator. But guys, this indicator is not for free. Thanks guys. See you guys in our next video.